ya wajin kuko emako guhwe. Eti German president iba enkuko brine tene enkuko ebe suatete nipa owe eti aye.
We know obese oto abama MPP no. Na ye pe party abakasem. Nipa na nimu enyam hwe ni tise koto. Nipa na ni koto yede abo anwam. Ati koto yede abo kuba anwam. It's time for us to discuss the debates. Amano. Kwabena Japan flag bearer candidate. Kwabena Japan challenges fellow presidential hopefuls to a national televised debate. Amano. Yes, Kwabena Japan say open debate.
I am looking forward to his policies. He said he doesn't want to debate because he knows I will expose the emptiness of his policies. He says he has a 24-hour economy that he cannot explain. It's as empty as an empty barrel. He cannot explain it. None of his people can explain it. They say they will be exporting lions and elephants. But when we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. When we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. When we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies. When we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. And that is where we should go. We should give the country an opportunity to listen to us. But if he chooses not to debate,
Bawumia mano a mano in 2024, no jina stage, the court ya brem jina so. Na bregam ohia debate John Mahama mra. Mano a mano na esiso. Na ne bema siso gen. Echen bazooka Mahamudu. Ne court ya brem no pe debate. Na wa chire economy ni mu na wa chire sikasem mu na wa chire senia na adwene da ne timo betumi abo Ghana ho ban in 2024 na mano amano Mahamudu Bawumia na ne kwoti abrem na esiso na all point gaga and snitch ne kwoti don na Bawumia kwoti don siso ohia Mahama amano man to man debate 2024 na so na Bawumia na kote don ni so na ope debate adentina na ope debate na opese ochire Ghana for the obetumi aye de woni trim adwene a owa obi ni bi and the snitch Kwabena Japan say ohia man amano debate omunyina mra e wo national television so Kwabena Japan so be masi so the kote don wa sorry ayila lao la ilaha bismillahir rahmanir Kwabena Japan so ne kwati asori ono so mano amano o se Mahamudu Bawumia o di adwojo bi di agina so o di adwojo ne di agina so etima wo di aso nyina so ope debate enye debate o party headquarters so Kwabena Japan the snitch so ope debate mu nyina from country to a fake soldier all the way to a fake businessman all the way to a gogome osimu nyina momra na ono ejina so me say sa akwara pedimoja dodo anase koto opedimoja dodo a ye di nsuo ye di frasudi de di afremu and this is reasonable. This statement from Kwabena Japan, I expect Kennedy Japan, I expect mano amano, I expect country, I expect fake soldier man. I want all of these people to accept this challenge, especially mano a mano. Ye pese mu nyina mu ye debate on national television so ni ye tie the way Jimmy Pa. And you don't answer. We are demanding for a debate. Someone a debate. Per Bawumia statement in 2024. Time anane court don gina so. Wanum edu tumwa betes anane court don gina so. Na offer debate no. If Mahamudu Bawumia mano amano refuse wa accept debate that or some tia say sansem no kan na eye dam na ye no. The NPP Mahamudu Bawumia's campaign team must study Oman who say they have decided not to comment on debate. Na some say Bawumia ne nim nyansa o party nim. Mo say Bawumia e na ben. Mo say Bawumia ne nim economy. Bawumia na enyansa ni wo NPP mu a mu wie mu de power ama no. Adentina you are shielding Bawumia from debating Kwabena Japan. Why are you people shielding Bawumia from debating Kennedy Japan? Me kan Yankopon wosoro. Kennedy Japan is intelligent than Bawumia. Mo pa mu be debate. As much as Kennedy we Jimmy no eba MPP campaign debater onimunyansa chen Bawumia. None of you guys qualified to be the president of Ghana. I have said it from Kennedy to Bawumia to Kennedy. Obia nimunyansa obetwe Ghana so. But a Jimmy for Croatia, you would do nimunyansa kakra with Jimmy for them. And I can tell you on authority, mano amano, Kennedy Japan, Bawumia cannot stand Kennedy Japan when it comes to debate. And if you have studied the conversation, Ushepa, Mahamudu Bawumia followers, no, they have deliberately decided not to speak on debate. In Kwasiafono Mudi Bawumia chini all the MPs, all the members of parliament, the former members of parliament, all the constituency, all of them, nobody has been bold enough to say, Mahamudu Bawumia needs to meet all these people and show the Kratu powers. Or none of ya brem ni hu. Ya pesi ye hu de pesi ye hu de ne kwat don gina so. Ya pesi ye hu de ne kwat don gina so de oya bema na adwene ye adwuma. Enti this is a challenge Kwabena Japan atwama mo amaka no for no, especially Bawumia, because Bawumia has been somebody every single day on him economy, on him Ghana, and your mammy emblem no Ghana na say no him honshe on the atiasie. This is the time for Bawumia to prove himself to Ghana and say Ghana na say na enye on fault. This is the time for Bawumia to prove to MPP FUA. They are saying they are not going to vote for him because he's a liar and not an economist and he's a fake politician. He needs to prove himself to Ghana former MPP FUA that he is the man they should follow. Right now, followers of Kennedy Japan, from tomorrow, you need to start the debate conversation. Followers of Kwabena Japan, from tomorrow, you need to push the debate conversation. Followers of Country, from tomorrow, you need to push the debate conversation. Country, followers of Country, Obia followers and push debate. And what am I going to Bawumia wa bon? Some person will expose Mahamudu Bawumia. Me say all of you should push. Ochina, bude mojiminti, monko TikTok. Mumudu do armontu min kinkan chronti. TikTok na mope MPP4 because majority momuntu min chro. Muntu min type it. Inti debiano voice note any TikTok. Mojiminti monko TikTok, monko guwa me monitor ochina. Munyina mon start ye pe debate. Kennedy call for mon force for a debate. In fact, I expect Kennedy Japan to respond to a debate. I was saying Kennedy Japan to me to me so no sube debate no because me tell me second this way Jimmy. Me so nim nyanso bet my debate papa bia unproven no honchira me. I know Kennedy is not intelligent to lead anybody. Bawumia is not intelligent to lead anybody. The 5 candidates are all foolish. I want to see among the foolish men who is the most wisest in the foolish men. I want the Kennedy followers to start this conversation. Mo person mo prove which I say mo candidate no say Kennedy Japan and the followers. Mo start debate conversation about Bawumia for so mo penia. Ghana for be the difference between Kennedy and Bawumia. Me say Bawumia call for Kennedy abodam. Bawumia followers the moment they get any opportunity to speak, no mo di Kennedy atem so abodam. Sa small boy ya lawyer nkutajine ya sebi obat ashawo ni tran stress so ne ho bebe sa botwe boy na ne ho fun yi okotena radio so Asante be mu e ka kire wuntumi e ka kire eye Kennedy se Kennedy abodam sa lawyer nkutajine small boy ya broken heart kwa menya so wenya bi Jimmy for ya 19 a oja adwonso yi Senegal 92 wan hwe bi Mali 96 se wan hwe bi Sa small boy ya, your friend say bocho said and kwasia small boy ya, or Kotena radio say Kennedy abodam. All because of internal elections. Now, the Kennedy Japan followers should prove to us some candidate in Bodam, more candidate in Nyansa Bawumia. You people need to start the debate conversation. We need a debate. Kennedy Japan aka or say ohian debate. Na debate no ohian or them ohian or national television so because on Kennedy Japan so we di konkonsa che or started the MPP konkonsa we dia so person be the president mum person mo begina tum. This is the time or person prove which say konkonsa na we di no fa so. So if a snitch comes out of the snitch box to tell you people that he wants to debate, then the snitch has something behind his inside his sleeves. Inti se konkonse naba, se snitch naba. No say mumbre debate on national television. I don't expect any of you guys to say no. Inti mo we are so loud on social media now. We want you people to be loud on debate. The followers of Bawumia, they know say Bawumia bon. They know Bawumia is empty. They know Bawumia is a joker. They know Bawumia is a liar. Na sankwasi afom ti social media editing of what them obi a obebusa Bawumia question bia nobody do atem no. Why are they not pushing the debate agenda? Because near ha and Bawumia pushing a debate agenda against John Mahama.
I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But I'm afraid I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, Amano, we can. When we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. When we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. And that is where
he wants a debate. And the debate about on social media who are non-entities. I'm not going to mention your name on my big platform. And you know yourselves, termites of political jaundice boys and girls. We want you people to be bold enough to make statements on your pages. Because I know, my imagine some the MPP Nibia Temu. All because Bawumia Medi flag bearer and Tiasie. Into Omuhu Fin Facebook. Bawumia. We want you people. We want you people to start the conversation. Kwabena Japan say ono de agro nie ntokwanie mo 5 nyina mo mra. Enti Kennedy nkofo no ochina TikTok Friday debate day ochina. We want you people all to come together and let the NPP understand. In fact, Kennedy Japan should come out and accept a debate challenge. I want Kennedy Japan to make a statement tomorrow. Any platform you better say, why obey interview Kennedy? Be a catch as Mr. Kennedy. Kwabena Japan the snitch say he wants a debate on national television. Obey and answer when ye. When you get the opportunity to interview Kennedy Japan, more bloggers, more radio station for anybody who gets the opportunity. And Kennedy or China Sawoje Mike, Sawo your campaigner, prove to Omamutie say you are ready to debate Bawumia to prove to Ghana for say Unimunyansa channel. You are ready to debate Bawumia to prove to Ghana for say Ghana na ya tutia MPP no and fault. You are ready to debate Bawumia to let him know say so oya economist anka sampa anka wo Kennedy nka wo lose ska. You are ready to debate Bawumia or Kennedy because you want to prove to Ghana for say he is not the right person for Ghana to hand over our economy to and to lead the MPP. Ochina, the presidential aspirants in the NPP, we want to hear everybody accept this challenge. And I believe in the Kennedy Japan supporters. They be almost Kennedy about them. Akwarakura when people ma no only opportunity to speak almost Kennedy about them. But damn ni bi kra when people ma odiba omiechia only opportunity to speak Kennedy about them. Now this is the time to prove that Kennedy now about them and about them. Now, mano a mano. Ye pese ye hwe se Kennedy wabodam anasa Bawumia mum na abodam. Enti the Kennedy Japan supporters, they need to understand say debate we a duly gadochi. I was said debate we ebaso. And the Kennedy supporters need to prove to Ghana for say omo candidate no send Bawumia supporters ekaso abodam no. They need to prove to Ghana for say Kennedy is not crazy. Because a Kennedy Japan and Jan Tumso be debate against Bawumia and the other ones, then it means Kennedy indeed. The Bawumia call for Nekas about them. They're true. He wants to hide it. So Kennedy, this is a challenge for him to prove to Ghana for say Onya Bodam for. It is the ball is in your court. Kwabena Japan, Ede Mano Amano Naba. Enti ye twa mo Bawumia for. Ye twa mo Bawumia for. Mo amoba Facebook no didi obi atem. Bawumia nim nyansa chen Yesu yate. Bawumia de ye hu ne so politician yate. Bawumia de MPP mu no obi anim nyansa nchen yate. Yese Bawumia mfa ne kote don me kyerkyere mu. Yese moma mo Bawumia no, moma mano amano. Moma mo Bawumia ne mfa ne kote don be gina TV so no on kyerkyere mu nkyere ye. Ye pese ye hu de ne kote abrem. Ye pe de kote don mu odin. Moje si ye twan mu. Ye pese ye nyina ye hwe. I am a card-bearing member of the NPP. I am a card-bearing member of the NPP. And I want this debate to happen on national television. Small boys. But the NPP na move Kennedy open top. Hey, Bawumia nkwara we pa NPP o mo jimi o. Small boy team betena radio so Kennedy open top. Aden ya o te say sadi na ye bie so. Asama Bawumia nkwara aka kire Kennedy Japan no. And the time in do. Say Kennedy or you open top and also a convertible ye behwe. Kennedy say or your watchman and also a gate man and also or your watchman and also a gate man ye behu. So you open top and also or a convertible ye behu. Obi a watchman dia we Jimmy. So be a security dia or you okay. Ye be say we say Kennedy or ye open top and also or a convertible. Most sorry no betina TV so. Oh Kennedy Japan. Kennedy Japan abodam or you open top. Ye be anything so. The Bawumia nkwara de bia edamano na moka mudi obi papa tem. Mudi obi papa tem all because Kennedy say or person challenge Bawumia. But we be man catch Kennedy say no you open top. Ye be any tiri so. Abodam na sa small boy we a bochi small boy also a lawyer. Now this boy to me better radio. Hey, politics pa. Mrs. Sa boy need to better radio so. Na asefua wo kumasi okotena radio so ka say entafo no mo Asante memu no mo to abama NDC no omo tutia MPP no omo reasons no eye pathetic just say just say o see asefua wo just say MPP for asefua ya oye MP okotena radio so Asante memu e ka kire no say ade a omo Asantefo ye ma entafo no omo tutia MPP no okobutse omo so say adenti and na omututia MPP a or say omu reasons no the man a pathetic reason. As some cannot say, let me show you. T.
Me vote and me say minya no. Don't so change Bawumia bebre. Because they will vote for me, especially that Zongo for no. But still we are there omupe MPP. So what you be omo na obuso omo say what is the point? If say ye de mo ankasa mo krom ni and still you people did not vote for him. You kind. And sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. And sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Me vote and me say minya no. Don't so change Bawumia bebre. Because they will vote for me, especially that Zongo for no. But still we are there omupe MPP. So what you be omo na obuso say what is the point? If say ye de mo ankasa mo krom ni and still you people did not vote for him. You kind. And sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. And sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic.
Ya semi obi na no aka. O the presidential candidate akọ constituency. unya so much vote echen presidential candidate no na ubusa inkrimufo anazongufo no mo wonse adentina wodi omunua ba omanto ama no unwo mo so mogimi ana unwo so mo nwene nti oye nkremoni anaso oye teni nti e wo se zongo ni bia uhu no zongo no sebio wegimi nti oso toma Bawumia ono Asante ni onte ase nti onte ase se ono enya vote che the presidential candidate na adentina zongofo no omunua na wabodama na se sa boy we to no omu zongofo no kwampo to be able to think for themselves. Omu zongo from constituency say omu ni nyansa to even reason for themselves say it does not matter nipa no so we are looking at who can help us sa asefo we hu zongo for so magimi and hwase me okae o see omu tuti Bawumia wie no ono ko zongo for ko busa adentina mo tuti amunua na o see answers no mo de man e pathetic etan nyansa nim say boys we omu muntafo Sankwasiafo boys we they don't respect Intafo Asante memu. Obuzongo for so magimi. And so catch them say Napo yako menshia ne constituency. Na Napo enya 100%. Na wako catch eye Asante for no good menshia na Napo eye MP on say adentina man to ama Napo every say oya Asantini. Na omo ema reasoner. Obeso chese omo ya Asante for nkwa na Napo ejimi cross omo tomano. Now what kind of analogy is this? When an MP in a constituency, or to make us in the constituency, no answer some of the man for the reason why they decided to independently make a decision that will favor them and their future. No, it is pathetic. That word, you know, or just say Santa for the zongo for no to about sa because one, they cannot reason for themselves. They were supposed to reason the way he reasons, and why didn't they reason the way he reasons? Because Jimmy. And what's not radio so kind of otafo wo bunkremofo mo nyina so magimi ontias say aden nkremofo ha mututi Bawumia intini tirimu no unkremoni amantom Bawumia no you give me a reason it is stupid. Hey, I was zongofo ochina omo press conference guys say hey now zongofo mpenifo imam fo mpenifo mo otafo impenifo a omo wo otafo a omo ye nkremofo zongofo uji so me nkwasiafo o small boy anya politics na abanti na yegimi a otu egu echi I say yetete ton e wotafo oto a egu echi wo asefua eto a egu echi ka wo kodivu anka anyam wo ekọ asefua eto a egu echi anka kodivu na wonne ma kodivu afo kura anka ya che wanyem kwasia ya to abama we give a whole presidential candidate waba now when you aba a presidential candidate now, are you not surprised? Say presidential candidate, you know, are you not shocked? Say, oh yeah, papa. Can't you see what you were selling was full of shit? The candidate you were selling no wasn't a candidate who was appealing. Zongo for no muti zongo no, enta for no muti wano, omunya nkwasiafo, into unse enta for ejiminti, odi odwan ba na ohye batakari ehye jalabia, oye tedi nti oso tomano. No. Onye kwasia. O busa nipa na nyanse da ni tirim emwa nipa na betumi di aboa no nti aye den na MPT ko tina radio say the answer they will give you is pathetic. Hey rade nyankopon asempa o
me vote am yankasa me nyae no do so ten Bawumia bebre because they will vote for me especially that zongo for no but still oya dia omope MPP. So what you be on what is the point? If say ye de moankasa mukromuni and then buy and still you people did not vote for him. Ye kind and sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic and sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic no I was see a hunyansa and sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic no I was see a hunyansa and sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic no I was see a hunyansa.
Sometimes in tough for the reason on the mouth I couldn't otuti Bawumia no a pathetic na I was almost a hunyansa. Hey, you see na Mahama ono ofriko Mahama no nyetani. Ana Mahama onyetani biem. Mahama of Barcelona. Mahama of Nicaragua. Mahama so etani. Adentina zongo for no constituency to Mahama. Now what better radio so catch them say omu reasons na pathetic. No mun also musua ho nyansa. Na o sa ko back ma zongo for na sa to ama wo kwase ampanyi we. Eto a egu wechi. Anka oti ya musukuru a anka ya nyemo. Politics na yefo asanteman na yemu nipa ni bi yembu ntafo ntira. Yeni asantefo ni bi yebu ntafo so mo jimi ntira. Ubie wa no as a member of parliament. O catch your constituency say reasons until one to our candidate. About the two candidates were coming from the north. Yes, so be otizongo bi na inkremuni. The two candidates were all northerners. So if your people decide to vote for you, a nigger with an ass like you, and decide to vote for John Mahama, then it means o candidate on your candidate or ya appealing, omo hu ni poso ye inkremuni, omo hu ni so oya munafiki. Now when you more time. Now, if they have a reason, a solid reason, na mpenifo ne nkwara akota light ejina wiem ato ama John Mahama o catch them say omu reasons near pathetic nyansa nim na omu nsua nyansa mfrim o ya Asante nti ohu tani o constituency o ya boa o ya Asante ni ba entafo nkwasiafo ya ohu omu sa na omu adeto ma o eko parliament sa zongofo na o so omu nim nyansa. Their reasons are pathetic no. Sa zongofo esebi omu na omu ne omu nananom omu from nananom free dem eso omu nsa ekoto abama wo ekosefua and out na radio so oti akrate condition mu o gisika ehwe obusua edibi di ma asa betena Kumasi radio aka kire omu say omu reasons omu de toma wo a ma oberi MP a omu nyansa etuti Bawumia no omu reasons no nyansa nim pathetic time na omu nsua nyansa mfrim wo ye kwasia we ye kwasia pi onnim nyansa na tenia na zongo ni bi obesa ko sala ya to abama no ko na sebio odidi eye musem sumechi no ko ni ndi ni ye because asema waka seti omo nananom waka seti omo ma wabu omo nyansa nim tia say omo reasons ni pathetic na omo mutina Kumase etina santimemu etoma awo no omo reasons ni pathetic. Asante for no mutina santimemu eto abama Bawumia no omo reasons anya pathetic on sa omo so a omo ya Asante for na omo te Bawumia omo te Kumasi omo toma Bawumia a oyeteni no omo reasons nya pathetic na yede na Asante ni ba etoma nkremoni omo de omo reasons nya pathetic but nkremoni na ohun sa Bawumia nka no kura otuti ano no sa nkremoni no ni reasons nya pathetic wo anka okurubu so anka bu ebebu no zongo fo no mubu ade omu bumra omu ji kebi mami kebi ndi asem wo kan Nigeria ka bu ebebu no asem we uko bie wa no eko kan no Nigeria say omu reasons for voting for John Mahama and voting against Bawumia na pathetic come twa usika yekum and we sit in Ghana na yes so nkwasi asem we so small boy o me see hwe eto egu nachi owo Cote d'Ivoire anase anka owo Malaysia anka ya nyemu no dadada eto a egu nechi ode nam Kumase esa de kopem ma eto a ebobo nechi so ofre no ho bema wo hwe eto a ebobo akora we echi a ofre no ho se bema me se anka nam eye Malaysia anka owo a anka ya chi no anyemu no. Mr. S, what is that? Asefo Jimmy too much. Asefo ya John with dinkremufo ne zongofo mo ayede otafo atemankasa. Boy we also ko pacho. I was said the young and the older omo the constituency omo yankremufo no they need to rise up against this boy. Enimtiana doso do. MPP for enimtiana doso. Atenie na doso. Nipemu yiyimu no asantefo no bi ado aye too much. Aye too much. I say yenya muden. Me nuanu asantefo ni bi. Aden na mo yesa. Enyiyimu ni too much. Enyiyimu na ma party ya say yo. Mo da ho opposition eyiyim sentafo adwene nkremofo adwene om de tuti Bawumia pathetic. Hey, what you say? Mr. S, get me the reason for pathetic. Get me the definition of pathetic. Na me read na me cheche mu nche nkremofo na say. Do you know what pathetic means? me person me read it exactly. Na afemi chirechirem dwom ema omom koto abama wa udi omatem no. They will know asema will catch them say, do you know the meaning of pathetic? Say obia koto aba. Because let me just read this one. This one is easy. Let me place this on this. Hey boy we pa utumi ko gina o constituency ka kire omo to aba ema eti Bawumia say omo ye zongofo na aba no moto ye no omo reasons ne pathetic. Hey boy we pa mamenchiro. Besides, I have this one. This is the reason. This is the meaning of pathetic. Say, opesa otiasia any word no use any. Pathetic. Definition from Oxford Languages. 1. Arousing. Pity. Just say, ayane mobo. Or see reasons that mama ya modi tutia Bawumia ewo on any constituency was zongo no. Pathetic, or say arousing, pity, especially through vulnerability or sadness. You guys will be a vulnerable out here. Or say reasons now modema esa motuma eye mututia Bawumia no. Reasons are mwankasa no aseche say mobo ema mo hu ye mobo. Esa ema mo to say mwankasa no munim mo left from right. Mo vulnerable. You are vulnerable. The vulnerability and I say mobo sadness. Just say reasons that the man no ade kodi tia mututi Bawumia no. Just say ewurade jankopon. Are you serious? And this guy will be working again tomorrow in your constituency. Obesa ko zongo penyini ho, obeko zongo fo nkora na say monto aba mame na member mu MP. Hwe weda oyuzi ma mu mpenifo eni zongo fo. Pathetic. That's the meaning. Arousing, pity, especially through vulnerability or sadness. Oh, who must say mobo? But you say mobro. Or see reason I'm mobile no. Mobro. Sadness, vulnerability or mobro. They say the boy does not even respect the constituents. This is the word he used. This is the word.
Me vote a me ankasa me nyae no. Doso ten Bawumia bebre. Because they will vote for me, especially that zongo for no. But still oya there omope MPP. So what you be am na obuso say what is the point? If say ye de mo ankasa mo krom ni e de ne bae and still you people did not vote for him. Ye kan. And sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic, no, I was see a sometimes one of the reasons of the Bamano is pathetic. Apart from say pathetic, no, I was see a me vote a me say me
pathetic, no. Some of the dictionaries, yet definition of the man said miserably inadequate. You can say pathetic. Miserably inadequate or very low standard. That's the meaning of pathetic. Miserably inadequate or very low standard. Reasons I'm the man or who say my general form on one constituency. Tafu. Erade. I'm so disappointed, Hey, Ghana pa at this point, Boys will move. These boys don't respect you guys. Some boys ready to me among they don't respect you. Even constituency amoto abamano or some we a low standard. Miserably inadequate. Hey, or say reasons are more than man on a pathetic reason. You need to learn from it.